When Yahweh commanded Abram to be circumcised, Abram was 99 years old. That is not a small request. It involved pain, discomfort, and a major step of obedience. But what was Abram's reaction? Did he debate it? Did he delay it? Did he ask for years to think about it? No. Scripture tells us that that very same day he obeyed the command. In verse 23 it says that Abram took Ishmael and all the males of his household and circumcised them that very same day, just as Yahweh had told him. That is something powerful to learn from Abram. True faith is not endless discussion or negotiation. It's immediate submission and obedience, even when it is uncomfortable. Abram heard the instruction and he acted. That's the kind of obedience that honors Yahweh. May Yahweh bless you.